Ninja invited you? Bro, he does not want to carry me. He does not want to do this. I'll play. Just know I'm fucking bad. What the hell? Oh yeah? Check what I got. Hello?
Hello.
What's up?
Saw it.
You ready to carry me?
You always say that when you're not bad at the game, and it frustrates me.
Well, it's been like 4 months, dude. It's rough out here. I'm
Out here in the
okay,
streets,
but
man.
I'm okay, but some people are, whew, they're fucking.
Oh, well, there goes the family stream. All right, guys.
Oh, I gotta go. Yikes.
Wait, what? Party filled it. What's going on there? Oh, oh my god. Actually, thought Shroud left for it.
Salta forward, left real quick.
All right, let's get to the app. We're already after dark, ladies and gentlemen.
One day when you're prepared to tell
Is
me.
the game broken? What's
All
going
right,
on?
everyone restart their games.
Hysteria,
What happens, dude, when Shroud switches over to Fortnite?
I'm sorry.
That's a custom matchmaking key.
Oh.
People always look at streamers, they're like, wow, they're so. No. You can't compare it to anything.
Everyone says I look super short, dude. So it's the opposite for me.
That, I don't believe it.
Like, what? Or chat and tell them.
Yeah, it's true. It's weird because everyone says I look short, and then when I see them in person, I'm really tall. But Shroud looks really tall on stream. He's really short in person.
All right, man. Can we get that really out of there and just leave it as short, please? Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Thank
So
you.
maybe it's just Ninja's very tall and you're average height, so he just thinks, you know.
No, I'm not even average, but still. Thanks for trying, man. I appreciate it.
Well, I'm trying to help out here.
Thank you, bus driver, everybody.
Absolutely not. I would never do
We
such
gotta come
things.
up with it. We gotta come up with this. Thank the bus driver.
No, I didn't do it.
Oh, we lost.
We definitely lost.
I didn't do it. That's not me.
I'm telling you right now, I
didn't know.
will never
No,
do
I
it.
definitely didn't do it either. 'Cause I saw the marker and I just jumped immediately, you know.
I will never
You're
thank
wrong.
the bus driver.
Are you kidding me?
He doesn't. No, he doesn't deserve it. Thank you. Okay.
Wow, man. I mean, he's been. Do you have any idea how many people he's dropped into this map?
A lot.
Billions.
Technically, yeah.
I mean, like, at least, come on. Not even one, dude? Not even a thank? How about just a thank?
No thank for you.
Eh.
He's a guy.
Yeah.
Eh.
Guys like gas station. Behind us.
Alright, Shroud.
You're mad.
What did the bus driver do to you?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay, well, you know what the topic? Getting launch on? Really run on Shroud?
What is that noise?
Got
Lighter?
the shotgun, and he's dead, dude. Some dude is literally just jumping on top of the, How do you get shield? Oh, he's getting shields from
The box?
Yeah.
Drop the Tommy gun behind each other. If you'd like it.
What the fuck is this? What are you doing? I want my subs back. I want it all back. You filthy, I still love you even if you're a sellout.
This dude's just bumping.
Sell
down,
out. Damn. Damn. Selling out, I guess.
dude. Launching?
I've played this game in 4 months, bro. Give me a break.
Huh? Who is he? Wait, what? Who said that? Who said launching?
No one?
Pretty sure it was Hysteria.
I got some minis for you guys.
Jacob, no. No one was launching, dude.
I said bouncing,
No, you said launching, dude.
Who said launching?
Here you go,
dude.
Lupo.
You know,
What's up,
How
dude?
do I split them again?
Is X on it? Yeah.
X
Dude,
is
sick.
X is drop. Okay, I see what you're trying to do there.
Nah. Wait. Is it?
Yeah.
No, if you
You click on it and then you hit X.
no, if you hit X, it'll
Yeah,
come up with the
yeah,
the,
but-
the slider, so you can decide how many.
Oh.
I'm trying to make you give me
Oh,
all.
okay. So we'll split it.
Listen.
Split is just Z. So okay.
Split is the, yeah.
Okay.
Automatically,
Gotcha.
yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Drops is adjustment. You think I would try and bait you like that? First time playing together.
Maybe.
Come on, Shroud.
Oh, Team North. Hello.
I see. Corner 54, huh?
Oh, the other one's low. They're under this bridge.
Where the fuck I am?
Slowing
it.
down. I think it's serious.
All right. Well.
I have a rift to go as well.
Oh, you guys got so many rifts around you.
Yeah, right. Up on the hill northeast. Tagged him.
Oh, he's all the way up top.
Yeah, way up there.
Okay. It's unfortunate.
Could one of you guys mark it? I'm about to launch over there.
Very top of the hill.
Mark it.
There you go.
He's pushing his luck right now.
Yeah, he is. I want him to keep peeking, dude.
Someone rifted. He's coming down east here of me. East of me.
Yep, baby, he's coming up behind you guys. Jacob's right in front of you. You're gonna 1v1. I was expecting the pyramid.
Bodied him for you?
Where? I don't know. He's added.
One more
Landing on
above
top
you.
of you, Jacob?
Oh
Later,
boy.
kid. Look at that, baby. Boom! Out of my house.
That's scary.
Bruh. Daddy's got you, alright? There's more rifts up there.
Thank you, Edgemus, for the 30, by the way, bro.
Shall we get this guy all the way up top?
I don't have anything.
I
can't
think
drop
wasn't that
anything.
the guy? Those guys? Or no?
Was it?
I don't know. I just figured. Just guessing.
I think it was.
Assuming.
Perfect.
Can't assume in 2018.
So that rift noise, is that like someone going through it, or what is that?
Yeah, someone
Yeah.
goes through it and
Yeah.
it opens up on the top. Say one for us. Is there one up there, Ben?
Yeah, there's. This is these little things right here, and then after it's been touched, it's like 15 seconds ish.
No, it's like 10.
Which is like 15.
Is this camp?
Heck.
Where they at?
Let me set a sniper distance record, dude.
Wait,
Come on.
rifting on the mountain, southeast.
We have to save this rift up here, though. Jacob, it's all you. Alright, nice. Alright, come over here then, and we'll take this together. I gotta pull this for you, too.
Still got the rift. Rift to go.
Yeah, but let's save it for all of us.
Does anyone have sniper shots?
I'm
Because
just
I only got one
Yeah, I
left.
got
in
it.
your chain.
I
We
see
all
my
know
last
the
one.
real
Cute.
sellout here is Ninja.
Alright, we can take this.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with being a
Well,
sellout, okay? Do we just jump through it together, or how does this work?
Yeah. You just go.
Okay.
So once you come through it, you have like 10 seconds. And then it closes. Heating up. Oh, see? Another rift was just taken to our left. 2 guys are in it. 3 guys took it.
How does he see? Oh, there they are. Damn, he's
Kind of
not...
hovering above Fatal.
Yeah, they're
They're
right
on
next
me.
to us.
Yeah, they're like in air battle here. Getting into the desert.
Cube.
What?
Bro, I just launched him!
Can we?
What is this cube?
Don't touch the cube, dude.
I can't believe they
Try.
decided to do that. In the tournament.
Try to touch the cube.
Okay.
Just run up and
Who's above us?
take action. Everything will be fine.
Oh, another team on Ninja. Okay.
Just one guy.
No, it's 2. It's 2. One on your right as well.
What? Oh, what the heck?
Maybe even 3. Oh, dude, I don't have the mats for this. One more. He was kind of low.
I tagged it for 20.
I need mats, dude. Yeah, these guys.
Still find somebody, mister?
Yeah, there's one guy. He's driving away in a golf cart. I'm pretty sure he's like super weak.
Everyone's so good at this game but me.
Shield
I'm
up.
just like running around trying to keep up.
I got a heavy in here.
a main? Nobody needs a maze. Disregard.
I blew the
Take it.
card
You
up.
want this med kit? Here you go.
Oh, dude.
Forgot I had one of those.
Stupid
The
cube.
guy's east, like in the storm with no health.
You mad at me, cube? That's right. You idiot.
Found him.
Shield in here. Trap.
There we go.
Right there.
Where the fuck I am?
Didn't know he was giving that to me.
You
That
got
thermal,
cube yet?
no. That thermal
There's,
scope is insane, by the way.
That's really good.
There's a heavy shotty down here.
This is relevant to my interest. Wow, he sounds really mad at me. He's trying to zap you?
No, I shot at it. I don't know what
Trying
that.
to zap you.
I still got
What,
this
what does
rift.
that do?
I'm telling you, man, you gotta find out.
Is it gonna hurt me?
90 here. We rift? It's a rift.
Do what you brought, Rip.
Oh my god, it
You
does
know,
shoot at you.
I want to rift and then.
My mic
take
was
it-
muted. Let me pop.
And
Let me
take
get
it to 90. Huh?
I'll be within a second.
Right. Alright. Are we taking this? Alright.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we should take this.
Well, we're using the med kit. I gotta give you a sec. Alright.
I don't want to shoot the box, guys. It hurts me. I don't want to shoot box.
Seeing nothing.
Yeah, the players are gonna be north for sure.
For sure, dude.
There's chest
Yeah.
still up at the stone head. There might be rifts.
Where the fuck I am?
Wow, somebody just sniped me.
Oh.
Pretty rude. Yeah, I'm back. Don't worry about it.
There is a rift there.
Alright.
Rocket
You guys
launcher.
went way fast, okay.
Oh, building up. Building up. In front of me?
Where?
You got a couple dudes behind me.
Release the river.
I think I'm gonna make it through this.
Do you need assistance? I can rift you.
Team Northwest, hit one. I'm out of sniper shots. No.
No.
Yeah. That's alright.
I was in the air, dude.
I cut back for a box crate. It was on me. It's on me.
What's in the box? Come on, man. What do
It
you?
was a shed jug. Actually.
Oh,
And
I
a
guess
weapon
I'm
that
just
I didn't really
landing
want.
here.
What was that?
The guy northwest.
well, and the team that killed Ben. So I would push
Yeah,
those
they were
guys.
southeast. Yeah.
God.
Another team, 210 south and southeast. I'm actually pretty low on mats.
I got a lot. I got like 1,400.
I'm not like horrible. I got decent. I'll be alright. Got standing still on the open southwest. We have a sniper. Okay, never mind. He was lagging.
What happened to this team on me?
Top of the mountain.
Yep.
I have nothing to get up there and nothing to shoot this guy
Same.
down. Other than just building up.
There's at least two.
I don't have the mats to get up there.
Yeah, same. And now we're getting side down distance.
Kind of pinched right now. Oh wait,
I'm
no, it's
out.
out.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're good, we're good.
Dude,
What the hell?
Bro,
We are
that's
not-
like
we are
target
not
practice,
good.
man.
we need help.
Jeez,
Hold on.
dude. Oh, Monka S, man.
Where's the bouncer when you need it? Oh god.
I got this bouncy wall. I don't really know how to use it, but I got it.
Gotta get underneath these guys and help them if we can. This is the worst. What
Dude.
is happening, dude?
There's so many of them, dude. The kids are still on the mountain.
You gotta spray this. You gotta spray this guy for me.
I only have first.
Yeah, same. I'm trying.
That guy's gonna take some damage, I think.
Where the fuck?
Go team. You guys are
Me
the
behind
best.
you. Super weak on me. Tomato.
Oh
I
my
did
god.
160 to him. Tomato's knocked already.
What the hell is happening?
Jug.
There's a man bouncing off walls over there in the water.
Are you chugging?
Nope.
That's for you.
What? Oh, well.
Whatever. I'm drinking a full. I can
Okay.
carry it. I got minis in a full. 7 minis in a full just chilling
I
here.
have 8. I have a ton of minis.
These guys are gonna have to push us, right?
He
Oh,
ran,
he's bouncing
he
in
ran
front of us.
southeast.
Where the fuck I
Or
am?
one of them did,
Is there a
anyway.
sniper I can grab? I'm gonna grab this one.
It's just 2 people.
Yeah, saw one right in front of me. I don't know where he went. He was in the water here, and now he's gone.
Where the fuck I am?
Bro, I got so lucky. I burst that guy with a double pump. Double barrel.
Oh, they're right in front of me. Oh, one's
Where
dead.
the fuck I am? Where the fuck
Game entered for you.
Thank you. How do you do this?
Trying to shoot his build down for you.
Just spraying an SMG, dude. That's funny. Yeah. Okay.